Hello and welcome to my channel. As you know, we are in Buenos Aires currently, and in the last few days we explored the historic downtown of Buenos Aires, the La Boca neighborhood, Recoleta Cemetery and the associated neighborhood, and today is our last day at this beautiful city. So after having some good breakfast and spending some leisure time at the rooftop pool here at the hotel, we are now heading towards our next stop of the day. And to make it extra special, we have decided to take a graffiti tour of the city, especially the Palermo neighborhood of Buenos Aires. And before heading to the meeting point of the walking tour, we are going to have our lunch at this beautiful Taiwanese restaurant. So we have reached Serrano Square, which is our meeting point for the walking tour, and as we look around here, we can see a lot of stalls with handicraft items which look absolutely beautiful. And here is our walking tour guide who is giving us a little bit of background and history of this neighborhood. By the way, Palermo neighborhood is famous for its cafes, restaurants and shopping areas as well. So now I would like to explain why we decided to take a graffiti tour while we are in Buenos Aires. The thing is that the walls of each city and neighborhood have their own identity. Every time we walk in the streets of this city, admiring its murals that express what the local society thinks. Knowing the street art of this city is essential to have a complete visit of the city, which is, by the way, Buenos Aires. You can find spectacular murals in various neighborhoods, but in Palermo, there is a great concentration of them. So another important thing to remember about this street art is that it's not constant. It keeps changing. So every time we visit the same place, in few months maybe or few days, we may find different murals replacing the old ones.
Down with all the mosaics, okay, and you rise it up all together to make this angle, okay. And that is also used by the youth of Argentina, okay. Garpar is to pay, pagar, in Spanish, triunfarlo.
As you can see here on the screen, the artist working on creating a new mural on the wall.
What happened happened here was a phenomenon of gentrification, as I said. Gentrification is when the original people of one place is displaced.
So this neighborhood is also very popular for video shoots. As you can see on the screen, there is one happening right now here on the street. So as per our guide, this picture of Messi is very popular, and in this picture he is remembering his grandmother who contributed a lot to his development as a football player.
In a school for kids with autism, and Recoleta also has Down syndrome. Okay, now you can see over there, that's a Shahuanete. Okay, the Shahuanete is a big cat from the north of Argentina, south of Brazil, Paraguay, and Uruguay. That's the stuff we're gonna make. We're gonna see a mural made by by him. And well, now he's making this kind of paintings where he grabs a big gun of painting and he starts to paint whatever that passes through his mind in that moment, always with a pre-selected palette of colors. Okay, and he called this series of murals something like a scroll close to another one. All this area of Palermo, when it was made for the first time, was full of studios, very small apartments, okay? And that's why all the child psychologists of Buenos Aires, they moved to this area. So everybody used to come here to their own psychologist, and that's why this part of Palermo is known as Palermo Freud, okay?
Oh me baño means no
so
shower.
As you can see, you can still see No Me Baño all around the city. Now I want to show you that artist on the top, okay? Her name is Mar Aire, and now we are going to make a very simple art. Actually, he works with pictorial art, okay? That is very, very simple. And he's always inspired in the whole neighborhood of the city of Buenos Aires, and also about, well, the Latin American art, okay? That's why you're always going to find him painting down people. I say that this was the happiest day of my life, of course. Okay, and well, this place went so well that they decided to do another one right in front. And for this one, they called, well, we have to say the best, or the most famous muralist from Argentina right now. His name is Martín Ron. He became very famous.